All right, let's do this. So, don't mind my appearance. I look ugly. We are going to become part of Whoville today. We got some weird looking eyelashes. We got some Cindy Lou Who inspiration. And we're gonna put on the Grinch and we're just gonna sit here and become a Who. I don't think Cindy Lou Who or any of the Who's have very much eyeshadow. Should we glam her up a bit? Let's glam this up. I don't know if anyone has done this video. I know people like turn themselves into Cindy Lou Who and stuff like that, which what we're, you know, doing, but I'm just gonna give credit to all the YouTubers out there who did this video, who is Cindy Lou Who. What inspired me? I just wanted to think about some Christmas creativity things. That didn't make sense. I sat in bed one day and I was thinking, what's my Christmas look this year? Am I gonna go bold? Am I gonna go glam? Am I gonna go natural? And then it just popped in my head. What if I come to Christmas Mass as a Who? I don't know. I just wanted to do this video. Am I semi-tipsy? No. I'm just me, bro. I hope you guys liked my video yesterday. I know it wasn't the most creative thing, but you know what? I was just like, I'm feeling Slytherin-y. I'm feeling green. I'm feeling jolly. And so I just wanted to do a green look. Plus I had that backdrop and I was like, that's a mood. I've never used the Jeffree Star palette before in any of my videos, but I think today's the day because for candy cane we need reds. And look at all these reds. I'm gonna go in with this color right here and I'm just gonna take a little bit of it. I'm so scared because I heard red like stains your eyelids. So let's talk about the holidays. I love the season. I love how, to me, it's like people are nicer during this time of year. Am I crazy? Are people different like this time of year just because of the season of giving? Honestly, I think people should just be nice all year round. And it just seems like there's some type of magic in the air. Like anything is possible. New beginnings are bound to happen and stuff like that. So, I don't know. Call me crazy, but that's what I just think. I didn't think I'd be like having this positive energy after this year. I don't know. I just feel like really creative. I have 2 more videos that I want to film. This is probably like the craziest out of all of them. So you guys want to hear like something kind of scary when I was younger? Is this a story time? Am I becoming a story time channel? The thing about the Grinch the movie is, what I don't understand is Cindy Lou Who is a little girl, right? And she lives in a small town, which everyone knows each other and blah blah blah. But like, when she went up to go see the Grinch, like, why'd her parents let her out that far? My parents never let me anywhere when I was younger. And I'm just wondering, like, anybody could have taken that little girl. And no one knew where she is. Like, her parents, I think I remember the movie, her parents came back and they were like, where are you? We've been looking for you. But like, why didn't you call the police? Y'all got police. I saw it in the movie, I'm pretty sure. So then it got me thinking about when I was a little kid. My family and I, we lived in Florida. My dad was working in Tampa and we lived in Orlando. My mom, my siblings, and I were going to head out and go to my grandparents' house. And I'm pretty sure my mom forgot something. So she went back inside the house and my little sister was like 5 and I was 6 or 7 and my little brother was like, I think newborn or maybe like a few months. I don't know. He wasn't a year yet. That's all I know. So I stayed outside waiting for them to come back out. I saw this dog that was like walking, but he didn't seem, he was like running away. It looked like he was kind of just like sniffing around and stuff like that. The guy like casually rolls up, and mind you, this was a van. And when I say van, it's that white van that everyone associates with as kidnapping. And it rolls up right in front of my house. The guy comes out, he picks up the dog, puts it in the car, closes it, says,
have you seen my other dogs?
And I go, and he was like,
do you want to come help me find?
And I remember my mom came out of the house and he dashes right into the car, and that car speeds off. To that day, I didn't think anything of it. Like, my mom was like, why are you talking to strangers? You could have been kidnapped. And in my mind, I was like, no, he was just looking for his dog. Same way Cindy Lou was just looking for the Grinch. But yeah, thinking about it now, I could have been gone. Did no one teach me stranger danger? I was an idiot kid. So going back to like Cindy Lou Who, her ass could have been taken too. And all I want to know is, where were her parents? It's important to teach kids about strangers and what to do. But yeah, like that's what I thought about while watching The Grinch sometimes. This was supposed to be a positive video, so it's turned into like a negative story time. So let's get back to the positive side. I'm drawn to Christmas in New York. I don't know why. Christmas in New York and Christmas in England, I'm just constantly drawn to it. I saw this candle at Marshall's, I believe. It wasn't anything special. It was just a vanilla candle, but on the outside it said Christmas in New York, and then there was like little cute drawings of like the New York, or the Statue of Liberty, and the skyline and stuff like that, and I really wanted it, and it was freaking $17. So then I was like, do I really need this? It doesn't smell that good, but I just really wanted it for some reason. Alright, so my camera cut off. I just put on a really light foundation. I didn't contour. I mean, I did, just a little bit, because they're not very tan, they're very pale because they live in a snowflake. I put this metallic lip in the color Coquette, the I Love Sarah E and ColourPop collection. This is the look. It's not the best, but it's my version of Who. So now we're gonna do our hair. I kept this cup for the purpose of this video. I saw on Made You Look's channel that she did this type of thing where she like gathers it and she kind of just does this thing to keep it standing tall. Found this little bow. Actually, I think it's belonging to this wreath, but you know, whatever. And then I'm just gonna pin it at the top. It's gonna be so cute. First, you want to section off your hair. Right, that should be good enough. So this is all gonna be at the top. Then section in half this part, and then braid it. You don't want the braid to be too small because then you're not going to be able to actually see. You want to leave some out because you want it to be kind of spiky, I guess, at the end. Cindy Lou Who, her hair is kind of curled, but I don't have time for that. So you're just going to take one of these little elastic bands, tie it, and then just leave it for now. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Just want to wrap your hair basically around the cup. Look at this. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Bro, I hate myself so much right now. Why did I think this was a good idea? I really honestly can't. Okay, let me show you the hair. Look at it. I'm a Who.
Oh yeah, I know you. Bitch, I'm a Who. Instead of bitch, I'm a cow. Bitch, I'm a Who.
Say hi. Say hi, world.
Oh, you record all on your TV?
Yeah, bitch.
Hey y'all, it's me, Johnny Del Rey. Looking like potato.
What's good? What's Gucci fan?
Bro, that's not the reaction I was hoping to get.
You look beautiful.
You like? It's candy cane.
This one, make your eyes.
Okay, I'm gonna call other people.
Hello.
Hello.
What is going on? Okay.
Do you like it? Do you know what I am?
Who are you? A gremlin?
No. What do you think about this look?
Very Who-ish.
Okay, I'll call you back later. Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. How long does it take for you to do your hair?
Girl, there's a whole cup in here.
Oh, dang. That's cute.
Thanks, you know. Look it, it's candy canes.
I like your makeup.
Thanks.
Oh, you never do anything cool on my face.
Because you never want to do anything cool on your face.
That looks cool.
Fine, I'll do it for your Christmas then. Alright guys, so this is the look. Ain't she cute? Ain't you? Ain't she cute? Oh my gosh, I can't with myself right now. This is a whole look in itself, you know? Like it's a whole going out look, you know? Like you want to look your best like this every single day. You want to cut that crease, put some candy on your eyes, and then go out with the biggest hair in the world. That's just how the Who's do it. Yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. Obviously, this video is not like a serious video. It's just about Christmas. And I just want to bring the Christmas spirit to people because my year wasn't that great. So I'm pretty sure there are others that feel the same way. Find your meaning of Christmas. Find your meaning of the holidays and enjoy it. Don't ever take this season for granted. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Love you. Bye.